Good morning. Hello, guys. Now I'm going to try to help you with the next exam on logs. I've heard that you're going to be assessed on that. While it has been a short time you have seen exponential, so I'm dedicating this video to SL analysis students. Okay. Now look, working out logs should not be a challenge if you understand very well the properties of exponents. For example, you know that e to the power of x. I'm going to be writing down stuff here like this. If you multiply powers like this, you remember that you add exponent. So this can be property number one. Okay, property number two is power to a power. So if you have e to the power of x and then to the power of y, this can be simplified to exponential of, and then here you multiply the exponents. So power to a power, you multiply the exponents. This is another. Can be like property number two. Property number three is similar to property number one, in which we divide it like this. Divide powers. We end up as subtracting the exponents like this. We have many other properties. Let me remember one. Um, there's an extra one. I forget, but I'm gonna remember that. And then each of exponential property can be converted into an equivalent logarithmic property. I'm pretty sure your teacher taught you that. So, for example, because we multiply exponents, because we multiply powers and we add exponents, it means that when we want to add logs, then we are able to recombine it in the form of a multiplication. So if you multiply a and b, take the log of that. So that log of the product is going to be the sum of the logs. For the same reason why the product of exponentials, the product of powers is equal to the power of the sum, something like that. So the sum here is translated to here, and the product here is translated to here. Okay, this is like conversely. Now here you can do something like log of, um, so you can do something like log of, let's say, a to the power of x. So this can be converted into x times the log of a. So because here it's a power to a power, then you can multiply the exponents, right? X is sort of an exponent and log of a is sort of another exponent. This is pretty much how it works. And here, similarly, you can do, let's say, log of a divided, actually minus the log of b. And this is going to be equal to the log of the ratio, so log of a divided by log of b. So I want to show you that properties of exponents are converted into properties of logs. Okay. Now, this is all because of a very important aspect, is that if you have a to the power of x equal to b, then x is the log. Okay. I usually teach this telling my students that log is a sort of an exponent. So if x is the exponent, then x is equal to the log, and then this is going to be the log of b base a. Okay, so I keep the base. The base of the power is the base of the log. I keep the base, and I say that the exponent is equal to the log. So what is log? Log is sort of an exponent. For example, what is the log of 16 base 2? This is 4 because 2 to the power of 4 equals 16. Okay, the same way, there's a number. I like this number very much. It's 243. I guess this is 3 to the power of 5. Let me check. 3 to the power of 5. Yes, exactly. So because 3 to the power of 5 is equal to 243, then the log of 243 is going to be equal to 5 if the base is 3. Okay, it works pretty much like this. The same way log of 25 base 5 is equal to 2. And look, you can also work with fractions like 1/8 base 2. We know that 2 to the negative 3 is equal to 1/8. So if you take the log of 1/8 base 2, we get negative 3. So you can have negative logs, by the way. Oh my God. Yeah. And then you just cannot take the log of a negative number, but you can take the log, for example, of a very small number like 0.001, and you can do that base 10, and this is also going to be negative 3 because 10 to the minus 3 is equal to 0.001. It's pretty much like that. Okay. Any questions, please message me. You have a little time to be getting ready for the test. As far as I knew, you got like less than a week or not more than 2 weeks to be studying for this. So I'm here to help. Of course, I want to have a free weekend, but I'm still I still want to tutor you, to be tutoring you, okay? To make sure you succeed, okay, in this test. Thank you. Have a good Friday. See you.